Today is such a beautiful day. Nothing could possibly could ruin it. Achoo! Who did that? Achoo! Toad? Achoo! Oh, Mario, I don't feel so good. What's wrong, Toad? I think it's something that has to do with my allergies. Oh, that's very. I feel bad for you, Toad. How did you get these? Well, I woke up this morning and I felt like this. Like your voice is starting to change or something. Are you going through puberty? I hear you going through puberty. Achoo! I can see that you're coughing too. Well, I think we might have to take you to the doctor. What? The doctor? No. I hate the doctors. Toad? Oh, what did you want? Toad's really got some seriously allergies right there. Feels so good. Yeah, yours is a Toad. I'm really sick. Okay, Toad. Maybe some cough syrup will do it. What's cough syrup? Well, cough syrup is something, I think, for allergies or something, or cough. But only for cough. I'm gonna get you some. Don't pour too much. Okay, so, which cabinet did I put the cough syrup? Did I put it in here? No, it's not in here. You go serve. There you are. Okay, which one? I don't know which one, but I'm just gonna take them off. Okay, got the 3 cough syrups. So which one does Toad need? Allergy liquid, Tylenol, for flu. He's been coughing. So I may need this. And this. And I put that back up there. Okay, put that back up there. Ugh. Okay, got the Tylenol. Toad, got your medicine. Achoo. Toad. Yeah, he must have got that medicine. Achoo. Toad, got your medicine. Now where could that Toad? Achoo. Ow. Oh, Toad, you okay? You okay, buddy? Speak to me. Yeah, I'm okay. My allergies are getting a little stronger. It's okay, buddy, because I got some medicine over there. Are you serious? I can't take that. Why not? It's good for you. It'll cure your cold. Well, I guess I can give it a try. Yes, Toad, you give it a try. Now I'm gonna get those little cups that you pour the cups in. I totally forgot those cups. Like, Toad, got the cough. Okay, I'll pour you some in a little cup. Okay, Toad, here's your medicine. Ew, it smells disgusting. It's supposed to. Just drink it fast and you just want to think about it. Just don't think about it. Okay. Ew, it tastes disgusting. Well, that's the point, Toad. Well, that's how I usually do it. I just drink it and don't think about it. Basically, maybe every 2-5 days if I'm cold, have a cold or something. Well, I guess I can handle it. Achoo. Toad, where could he been landing? Achoo. somebody get me down from here! Oh my goodness! I'll help you, Toad. Ooh. Architecture over there. This is harder than I thought. There we go. Okay, Toad, I'm coming for you. Hurry! Okay, I'm here, Toad. I'm here, Toad. Okay, so you don't have to be afraid to jump down on this refrigerator. Let's go. Let's jump off together. Okay. Grab it to my back. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow! That was amazing! Let's go do that again. Oh, my back hurts. Oh, my back hurts. I don't want to do that again, Toad. I'll just go back in the room so you can be cured. That cure still haven't healed me. It's okay, Toad. It'll work in a minute. You know, I haven't even coughed for once. Oh, I just... Wait, I think I have something that'll make your cough and your allergies stop. Really? Yeah, follow me. Okay. Mario, we're down outside. We're meeting someone. He's got the antidote. He's over there. Huh? What a lovely day. Ruff, ruff. Oh, but he's a dog. Yes, but his name is Professor Dogster. Dogster? Professor Dogster? Well, I call him Professor. Well, Professor's like a name you have to earn or something like that. But he will cure you, Toad. Really? Well, that's good news. Let's go talk to him. Okay. Professor Dogster. Oh, someone call my name? Yes, I called your name. We were hoping if you could cure my friend here. Achoo! Achoo! Whoa, how do you get that? I don't know. How did you get this, Toad? Well, I was just eating candy, and all of a sudden I just started coughing and sneezing for no reason. Sounds like the bad case of a cold. Yeah, that's what it is. Achoo! Yikes. I don't want to get that if I were you. But Toad, come over here. Okay. So, you want to be cured? Yes, I want to be cured. Okay, I have the antidote. But I have to go back to my lab and you'll get it. Okay. Okay, I'm back with the antidote. You're back with the antidote already? Hey, this is just water. I may look water to you, but really this is just special water for people that need to be cured if they have a cold or allergies. Oh, I didn't really think I really need this, but thanks, Doc. Look, Mario, we got the cure. Oh, this is such a great thing, and now you'll be cured. Yay. Oh, how could we ever repay you, Dr. Professor? Whoa, he just disappeared like that. I mean, you gotta expect, like he did experience. He did go away like that. Well, let's just go home, Toad. Okay, Toad, now drink it up. Okay. That was good. You feel better, Toad? What are you talking about? Wait. I'm not coughing or sneezing anymore. That's a relief. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. How about we go celebrate with some noodles? Yay! Let's go, Toad.